there, fashion enthusiasts! Have you ever stood in front of your overflowing closet feeling like you have nothing to wear? Trust me, we've all been there. Do you wish you could effortlessly put together outfits that not only look stylish, but also make you feel confident and true to yourself? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm your fashion fairy godfab for today, and together we're going to embark on a journey to transform your personal style. Whether you're a seasoned fashionista or someone who's just dipping their toes into the vast and fabulous world of style, there's always something new to learn. From understanding your unique body shape to mastering the art of accessorizing, we've got a lot to cover. So grab a cup of your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's get started on unleashing your inner style icon. First things first, my loves, we need to lay the groundwork. Before we even think about clothes, we need to understand your beautiful body and the style personality you want to project. Think of your body type as a blueprint. Are you a stunning pear shape, a statuesque rectangle, or a curvy hourglass? Once you know your body type, you can start identifying silhouettes and cuts that flatter your frame. And remember, there's no one right way to dress for your body type. It's all about finding what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Now let's talk about your style personality. Are you drawn to classic and timeless pieces, or are you more of a bold and edgy dresser? Do you gravitate towards bohemian vibes, or is your style more minimalist and chic? There are no wrong answers here. Color plays a huge role in expressing your personal style too. Do you love warm and earthy tones, or are you drawn to cool and vibrant hues? The most important thing is to dress in a way that makes you feel confident, comfortable, and ready to take on the world. Now that we've talked about understanding your body and personal style, let's move on to building a strong wardrobe foundation. And no, darling, I'm not talking about designer labels and expensive pieces. I'm talking about those essential wardrobe staples that will stand the test of time. We're talking about a crisp white shirt, a perfectly tailored blazer, a great pair of jeans that fit like a dream, a little black dress for any occasion, and a cozy cashmere sweater. These are the building blocks of a versatile wardrobe, and you can dress them up or down depending on the occasion. When building your wardrobe, focus on quality over quantity. It's better to have a few well-made pieces that you absolutely love and feel amazing in than a closet full of clothes you never wear. And don't forget, a well-curated wardrobe is a reflection of your personal style, so let your personality shine through. All right, my loves, now that we've got the foundation sorted, let's talk about elevating your outfits and adding that extra oomph. First up, accessorizing. Never underestimate the power of a statement necklace, a chic scarf, or a fabulous pair of earrings to completely transform an outfit. Accessories are like the exclamation point of your look, adding personality and a touch of your unique flair. Next, layering. Layering is not only practical for those in-between weather days, but it's also a fantastic way to add depth and dimension to your outfits. Think cozy cardigans over flowy dresses, a denim jacket over a feminine blouse, or a sleek blazer over a simple tee. Playing with proportions is all about creating balance and harmony in your outfits. If you're wearing a loose-fitting top, try pairing it with slim-fitting bottoms and vice versa. Remember, accessorizing, layering, and playing with proportions are all about expressing your creativity and showcasing your unique sense of style. Chapter 4. Finding inspiration and staying motivated. Now, my fashion-forward friends, let's talk about staying inspired and keeping that sartorial fire burning bright. One of my favorite ways to stay inspired is by creating a style mood board. You can do this the old-fashioned way with a corkboard and magazine clippings, or create a digital one on Pinterest. Gather images of outfits you love, color palettes that inspire you, and style icons whose fashion sense you admire. Speaking of style icons, don't be afraid to follow fashion influencers, bloggers, and stylists whose aesthetics resonate with you. But remember, it's important to develop your own unique sense of style. Use these influencers as a source of inspiration, but don't feel pressured to copy them exactly. Chapter 5. Additional tips and insights. Now, my stylish friends, as we approach the end of our journey together, I want to leave you with a few additional tips and insights to keep in mind as you continue to develop your personal style. Let's talk about sustainable fashion. It's more important than ever to be mindful of the impact our fashion choices have on the environment. Consider investing in quality pieces that will last longer, shopping secondhand, and supporting ethical and sustainable brands. Tailoring is your best friend. A good tailor can work wonders in making sure your clothes fit you like a glove. Don't be afraid to get your clothes tailored to flatter your body shape. Shopping smartly is a skill. Avoid impulse buys and invest in pieces that you truly love and will wear for years to come. Chapter 6. Mastering the Art of Mixing and Matching. Let's dive into the magical world of mixing and matching. This is where you can truly unleash your creativity and create a multitude of looks from a curated collection of clothes. Start by identifying versatile pieces in your wardrobe. Think of those neutral basics like your trusty white tee, your favorite pair of jeans, that classic black blazer. These are the chameleons of your closet, ready to transform depending on what you pair them with. Don't be afraid to pair different textures and patterns together. A chunky knit sweater with a flowy silk skirt? Divine! A striped top with a floral print? Absolutely! Accessorizing plays a crucial role in mixing and matching. A statement belt can instantly elevate a simple dress. A pop of color from a vibrant scarf can breathe life into a neutral outfit. Now, let's talk about the transformative power of tailoring. A well-fitting garment can make you look and feel like $1,000,000, regardless of its price tag. Tailoring is not just for special occasions or expensive pieces. Even a simple t-shirt can benefit from a little nip and tuck to flatter your figure. A well-fitting pair of pants can elongate your legs and make you feel like you can conquer the world. Don't be afraid to invest in a good tailor. Think of them as your fairy godmother or godfather of fashion, transforming your clothes from basic to extraordinary. A skilled tailor can adjust hemlines, take in waists, and make alterations that accentuate your best features. When shopping for clothes, pay attention to the fit. Don't be afraid to try on multiple sizes and styles to find what flatters your body type. Remember, sizes vary from brand to brand, so it's all about finding what fits you best, not about the number on the tag. Chapter 8. Shop smart, shop stylish. Avoiding impulse buys. Let's talk about shopping smart and avoiding those dreaded impulse buys that leave our wallets empty and our closets filled with regret. Before you even step foot in a store or open those tempting online shopping tabs, take inventory of your wardrobe. What do you already own? What are you missing? Creating a list of needs versus wants can help you stay focused. Set a budget and stick to it. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of shopping, but having a budget in mind will help you make more mindful purchases. Don't be swayed by sales or discounts. Ask yourself, would I buy this item at full price? If the answer is no, then it's probably not a wise investment, even if it's on sale. Chapter 9. Wardrobe maintenance, caring for your clothes. Now that you've curated a wardrobe filled with pieces you love, let's talk about how to keep them looking their best for years to come. Wardrobe maintenance might not be the most glamorous aspect of fashion, but it's essential for preserving the longevity of your clothes. Read those care labels. I know they can be tiny and tedious, but they contain valuable information about how to wash, dry, and iron your garments. Following these instructions will help prevent damage and keep your clothes looking their best. Invest in quality hangers. Wire hangers might be tempting, but they can stretch out the shoulders of your garments. Opt for padded or wooden hangers to help maintain the shape of your clothes. Learn how to properly fold and store your clothes. Folding delicate items instead of hanging them can prevent stretching and wrinkles. Chapter 10. Embrace your style. Own your confidence. As we reach the end of our stylish journey together, I want to leave you with this. Fashion is a powerful tool for self-expression and confidence building. It's about embracing your individuality and showcasing it to the world. Remember, there are no hard and fast rules in fashion. It's about finding what makes you feel confident, comfortable, and authentically you. Don't be afraid to experiment, play with different styles, and push your boundaries. Fashion is about having fun and expressing your creativity, and most importantly, wear your clothes with confidence. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. Until next time, stay stylish. Remember, fashion is a journey, not a destination. Keep experimenting, stay confident, and most importantly, have fun with your style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fashion tips and inspiration. I've had the most fabulous time sharing my fashion wisdom with you all. Remember, you are all style icons in your own right. Embrace your individuality, experiment with confidence, and never be afraid to let your true colors shine through. Until next time, stay stylish. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fashion tips.